EOSE stock analysis and EOSE stock prediction. It is a brief and short 1-minute video. What I'm going to be breaking down is my exact play with Eos Energy Enterprises. Especially looking at it right now, decent confirmation that I've got. Well, I almost got a confirmation, right? Look at it this way. Oh, this is so, oh my goodness, I'm getting excited here. Got a W and then a break even. But how this looks like is just so overpowered. Well, look, man, I've got the first break. If there's a second break above 435, definitely looking to just demolish it. So if it doesn't just give me that, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. It's not going to be something that I'll be entertaining. But with EOSE, I have previous receipts in the Discord with 4 results popping up, right? So this is nothing new. All I'm doing is waiting for rules. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. It's obviously not financial advice, just my free emails and insights, and I'll continue to keep you updated. This is by no means guaranteed that you will make that amount of money. No. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you.